Your liver is an unsung hero, performing over 500 vital functions. It filters your blood, removing toxins and waste products. It produces bile, which helps digest fats. It stores energy and regulates blood sugar levels. It even helps fight infection. A healthy liver is essential for overall well-being, so liver health is something all of us should take seriously. The liver plays a crucial role in both fat burning and muscle building through several mechanisms. For fat burning, the liver produces bile, which aids in fat digestion and absorption. Additionally, it breaks down fatty acids into energy-producing molecules, especially crucial during fasting or low-calorie periods. The liver also regulates blood sugar levels, preventing energy slumps and optimizing fat utilization. The liver is essential for muscle building. It produces amino acids, the building blocks of protein, and regulates hormones like insulin and growth hormone, vital for muscle growth and development. Additionally, it stores essential nutrients like iron, crucial for oxygen transport to muscles and energy production. However, the main role of the liver is to break down poisons, chemicals, and other harmful substances. Sometimes, toxins can get stored in your fat cells if you have a fatty liver. When the liver becomes inflamed, it heals with scar tissue, which can lead to cirrhosis, impaired function, and other complications. But the liver itself isn't a toxin reservoir. Symptoms of liver damage at an early stage can be hard to spot, but as the liver damage progresses, symptoms can include itchiness, yellowing of the skin or eyes, jaundice, lethargy, joint pain, nausea, cognitive decline, and gallstones. Gallstones, in particular, often indicate a liver issue since the liver produces bile, and bile imbalances contribute to gallstone formation. Fortunately, nature has provided us with some powerful foods that can restore and maximize your liver's detoxification abilities and enhance your liver's health. Stick around till the end of this video. As a special bonus, we will show you how to make a potent liver cleansing drink, so be sure to watch this video all the way through. Links to powders and supplements featured in this video can be found in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and share this video so your friends and family can benefit from this knowledge. Everything in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only, and not a replacement for advice, diagnosis, or treatment provided by your healthcare professional. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making changes to your diet or starting any new supplements, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications. So without further ado, here are 10 foods that can help detoxify and keep your liver in top shape. Grapefruit. Packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, grapefruit has powerful detoxifying properties. It boosts liver enzyme production and helps remove carcinogens and other harmful toxins. Beetroot. Beetroot contains betaine, which supports liver health by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. A 2017 study in the Journal of Food Science and Biotechnology confirmed beetroot's ability to reduce fat accumulation in the liver and improve its function in fatty liver cases. Beetroot helps lower elevated liver enzymes, release bile salts, and reduce liver fat. Beets are also hepatoprotective, meaning they shield liver cells from damage, and they combat inflammation that can lead to fibrosis and cirrhosis. Avocados. Avocados are rich in glutathione, and consuming just one avocado per week can improve liver function. Their anti-inflammatory properties make them especially beneficial for reducing conditions like fatty liver, hepatitis, and cirrhosis. Extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil helps the body create a lipid base to absorb harmful toxins, easing the liver's workload. Just a teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil in your salad dressing can reduce liver fat, improve insulin sensitivity, and combat inflammation. Its benefits for liver health are remarkable. Cruciferous vegetables. These include broccoli, kale, mustard greens, cabbage, radishes, arugula, and much more. These are rich in sulforaphane. a compound that helps the liver detoxify, reduce inflammation, and combat insulin resistance. It's especially effective for reducing fat in the liver and breaking down substances like caffeine, drugs, and other toxins. The benefits of cruciferous vegetables can last for weeks after consumption. Blueberries. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which offer several benefits for liver health. These compounds can help reduce liver inflammation, protect against oxidative stress, and improve overall liver function. Additionally, blueberries may help prevent liver damage caused by various factors, including alcohol consumption and certain medications. Mushrooms. Mushrooms, particularly turkey tail and oyster mushrooms, are rich in glutathione, the liver's primary antioxidant. They protect liver cells and enhance detoxification processes. Turmeric. Turmeric is the liver's favorite spice. It supports liver detox by enhancing enzymes that eliminate dietary carcinogens and other harmful substances. Apples. Apple skin is rich in quercetin, a powerful antioxidant that reduces inflammation, particularly in the liver. Apples also contain pectin, a soluble fiber that supports gut health and indirectly improves liver function. A 2015 study in the International Journal of Hepatology showed that pectin lowers liver inflammation, reduces fat buildup, and improves liver enzyme levels. Milk thistle. Milk thistle, particularly its active compound silymarin, has been used for centuries to support liver health. It possesses antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, protecting liver cells from damage. Additionally, silymarin may stimulate liver cell regeneration, reduce inflammation, and protect against toxins, making it a potential ally in supporting liver health. The right dietary choices and eliminating liver-damaging compounds can make a huge impact to your liver health. Some of these foods are available in supplement form. Check out the links in the description below for supplements that pack a real punch. Still watching? As a special bonus, let's look at how to make a natural liver cleansing drink using just 5 ingredients. To prepare this nutritious and delicious drink, start with 1 beetroot and 1 carrot. Add some water to the mix and grind these ingredients in a blender. Next, include a small amount of ginger, which aids digestion, and parsley, which boosts appetite and helps remove excess salt from the body. Toss in a few tomatoes, a low-calorie ingredient that supports weight loss. Finally, add 70 milliliters of water and whisk everything together in the blender until smooth. Hope you enjoy this drink as much as your liver will. There you have it. Liver cleansing with natural foods is an effective and holistic way to support this vital organ, which plays a crucial role in detoxification and metabolism. By regularly incorporating the nutrient-dense foods mentioned in this video into your diet, you can naturally cleanse and rejuvenate your liver, improving overall health and vitality. Until next time, stay well, stay vibrant, and take care of your body naturally.